If I go to my contacts application and then if I try to call a contact here and if I dial this number, now instead of the phone dialer app, you can see the person is being called by using the WhatsApp application. So if you want to use the default phone dialer in your iPhone instead of the WhatsApp, then what you do is go to settings, go to apps and go to default apps. Go to calling. Right now it is selected WhatsApp. So select cellular. Now after this, let me again go to the contacts application here and let me try to call this contact again. Now this time you can see the default iPhone phone dialer application is used. Thank you for watching the video. If this video has really helped you, then please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.